As Russia's artillery is very vulnerable to Ukraine's FPV drones, as their system has little armor and holds often larger amounts of ammunition, making each hit possibly to result in a massive explosion. As a Ukrainian drone spotted a Msta-S self-propelled artillery in the tree line, letting the Ukrainian drone to easily avoid the cope cage and strike the system. As the system is most likely destroyed as an internal fire is created, the Ukrainian drone army wants to make sure and sends another drone, striking the artillery well again, resulting in a larger fire to be created, which soon results in a large explosion as the ammunition detonates, obliterating the system, destroying another of Russia's artillery system, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.